Hi guys, Russell here from Homebrew Republic. Welcome to a 2-minute brew review. Today we're checking out the Mangrove Jack's Lucky Goat Pale Ale. We're going to check out the finished product, we're going to check out the kit itself and any special instructions or other ingredients you'll need to get this brew fermenting. Here we are guys, check this out. This is our finished product, the Mangrove Jack's Lucky Goat Pale Ale. Okay, what we've got here for colour is a really nice light vibrant gold and a great white head. In terms of our flavour profile, what we've got is a very light malt character backed by soft fruit undertones and, according to the packet, hints of vanilla. It's really good. In terms of our bitterness, we have an IBU of 28 to 36, which depending on your perspective is like a low to moderate level of bitterness, but it's really good. It's balanced perfectly well with that malt sweetness, and our target ABV or alcohol by volume is 4.4%, so a good mid-level beer. The only special instruction to be aware of with this brew is the recommended fermentation temperature range, which is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. The only additional ingredients you'll need to get this brew fermenting is a source of fuel for fermentation. You could go for a kg of Dextrose, a kg of Liquid Brewing Sugar, or if you want, try a Liquid Malt Extract, which will give you a little bit more malt character, a smoother mouthfeel, and a little bit more body. You could go with 1.2 kgs of the Mangrove Jack's Light Liquid Malt Extract, which will take you further into ale territory. If you want to keep that light gold colour and that light malt character, consider using an Ultra Light, or feel free to experiment with like a wheat or a blonde, which will give you an equally great result. As an optional ingredient, you may want to consider dry hopping this brew. Anything fruity or citrusy is going to complement the base malt really well. We've done this brew with an Amarillo hop. If you're looking for something a little bit more edgy, we've also done this brew with the Nelson Sauvin, but two other hops which would work equally well would be the Cascade or the Galaxy. All that said, this is a great kit from Mangrove Jack's. It's really agreeable to a wide range of people. We certainly rate it and we hope you enjoy. Cheers!
Cheers!